Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay Channel. Today we will see some of the screen recorders which are very handy tools are used to record the computer screens. That is, record the ongoing activities on the screen. Using these, you can record the screen as easily as you would take screenshots on your computer or record life's best moment with a camera. These tools do provide live capture enhancements, post-capture video editing options, and many more. Such tools prove helpful when you wish to record your screen to create a how-to videos and demonstrate working of a program, compile a product's demo video for some client, record gameplay to post on social networks, or record any other activities on the screen to share with friends or stakeholders, or to upload on video streaming services like YouTube. So we will see one by one what are the best screen recording softwares available. PhonePass Screen Recorder. It is a versatile screen recorder that records video, audio, webcam, live stream, online class, gameplay and more. Besides, you can even use it to capture the screen and add text during the recording also. So there are some pros and cons. Pros are no watermarks for both free trial and full versions. Allow users to check the system sound and microphone before recording. The microphone noise cancellation and microphone enhancement enables users to record a noise-free video or audio. The cancelled or unsaved recording can be restored. It will offer multiple output formats like GIF, MP4, AVI, MOV, etc. And also it will use record screen and webcam at the same time. Easily set the record length and the exact time to begin the recording task. Some of the cons are free version allows user to save only 3 minutes of recording, but the paid version will have limitless recording. No technical support for the free version. Some functions are limited on the free version only. Second one, Icecream Screen Recorder. Of course, this is one of the best screen recorder that I have ever seen. This screen recorder can record your entire computer screen or specific parts of the screen. With the software, you can shoot webinars, record video calls or conferences, gameplays, etc. via its intuitive and user-friendly interface. You see, in this interface, it has got recording button and you can able to draw lines. In this recording, you can demonstrate with the use of this draw option, and you can also magnify the image. Some of the pros are it will record videos in MP4, MKV or WebM format. It allows audio recording along with the video. It offers webcam recording along with the screen recording also. And it will allow on-screen drawing while capturing the screen. And also offers a hotkey configuration to pause, record and stop the recordings. It allows to save the screenshot to the clipboard in JPG or PNG extension. Also it offers project history for quick access to previously captured pictures and videos. Some of the cons for this one is free users can get a 10-minute cap of screen recording time. It offers limited functionalities and editing options in its free edition. Its recording cannot be used for commercial purpose by free users. Of course, this is a paid version but very good software. Third one, EZ Video Maker. EZ Video Maker is a useful desktop or screen recording software. With some clicks, you can record the computer screen to create high resolution movies. This also allows on-screen drawing and recording specific regions, same as Icecream Screen Recorder. You can also add title, description, keywords and other meta info into your recordings. Some of the pros are it also auto saves the videos during the recordings. It allows creating the slideshows with the capturings. And it offers audio recordings and voice synthesis features. It allows on-screen annotating while recording the screen. It enables uploading the recorded videos to the YouTube directly. Some of the cons are it allows recording videos up to 45 minutes only. Supports uploading videos directly on YouTube only, not in other social platforms. Offers no customizable settings for recording the screen. Fourth one, Atomy Presenter. This is a powerful software that can capture all or part of your computer screen with super video quality. Although it lacks various features in its free edition that are provided by its competitors. It's a perfect minimalistic screen recorder for anyone looking forward to create a high-resolution, long-time screencasts. The pros are no watermark and recording time limits, even for free users. It offers a decorating and screencasts with styles, shadows and color effects. It allows adding transition effects like photo slides and annotations to your videos. It offers a post-recording editing options like video overlays, cutting and cropping videos, adjusting volume levels, adding blur and few more. It allows exporting recording to MP4, AVI, FLV, WMV, WebM and MKV formats. Some of the cons are it cannot upload the recorded videos directly online. Of course, we can save it and after that we can upload it. Its free version lacks various useful features available in its premium versions. Fifth one, Screenpresso. This captures your desktop as a screenshots and also records the same to create HD videos. With all its advanced features, it's one of the best premium screen recorder, though it does not offer much to free users. Nevertheless, you can capture the entire screen or specific areas and even manage your captures easily using its management features. Some of the pros are it allows recording audio and webcam along with the screen. It allows using a captures and recordings for commercial use even in its free edition. Records the screen in lightweight MP4 format and allows changing the format to WMV, WebM and OGG. Offers quick access to your previous screenshots and recordings. It will allow labeling, sorting and editing captures into custom folders and manages workspaces and libraries of your captures. It offers sharing features for numerous services including email, FTP, Google Drive, OneDrive, Facebook, Twitter, Dropbox and many more. Cons are no support for Android with its free edition. Recording's maximum duration is just 3 minutes for its free users. Limits image editing features and mandates updates for the free users. It cannot remove watermarks from images, videos or documents in its free versions. Finally, it's a bonus screen recorder. It's Bandicam screen recorder. This recorder is a easy to use recorder capable of capturing a specific area or full screen. It lets you easily record flash games, streaming videos and more. The software offers several modes like gaming mode, screen recording mode and device recording mode for perfect recording. Some of the pros are saves the recording videos in AVI or MP4 format. It offers real-time voice recording for creating a screencast. It offers live drawing while recording and also allows adding watermarks and overlaying webcam while recording. It allows adding mouse clicks effects or animations while recording the screen. Some of the cons are you cannot get rid of its watermark in the free version. 10-minute recording cap for free version. These are some of the best screen recording softwares as I came to know. Out of these, Icecream screen recorder is one of the best software to record your screens. I hope you can get some idea about screen recorders. I think you can able to choose these screen recorders according to your needs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Subscribe to this channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you.